How to turn on or off location arrow on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. Location services use GPS, Bluetooth, and crowdsourced Wi-Fi hotspot and mobile phone mast locations to determine your location. On this page, turn off the Location Services switch. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm. If you want to turn it back on, then tap on the Location Services switch again. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off location arrow on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.